Hey guys, welcome to Internjunctions, and something new is going to reveal. Hi, what what do you think, guys? What is going to reveal today? Today we are going to reveal a big secret, and this is for the first time in our Internjunction channel, right? So yeah, this is a big initiative we are taking for you guys, and this is for absolutely dedicated to our audience. So here the time is clicking, and we are ready to reveal the secret just now. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so here we are unleashing the new era of the basic Python. Okay, so this course we are going to launch is for the basic Python beginners, okay, who are absolutely beginners, who are willing to learn about this Python course. And yes, today we are just announcing, and yeah, we are going to reveal this on 20th July. Okay, so this video will be postings on 20th July, and this is an announcement video that we are going to start a Python course for absolute beginner. Okay, so hi, I am Devjyoti Mukherjee, your trainer from Internjunction. So any problems if you occur, you just can contact in the mentioned email address. Okay, contact internjunction@gmail.com. Okay, so I am very eager to share every details of this project, about this playlist. Okay, so I wish every one of you will like. Okay, so this is a never ending journey. Okay, this journey is just begin from now today onwards. And yeah, I think it's both way communications. Okay, so if you like, if you hate, if you any query, you just ask me in the YouTube comment. Okay, and if you want to improve anything, you just can me post that thing also. Okay, so here we are going to the next part. Okay, so why we choose Python? So this is a big questions for many of you, like why Python. So I have some tips and something to say you guys, all of you guys, like why Python. Number one, this is a trending language. Okay, so this is a trending language, and yeah, obviously the most trending language is in 2K24. Okay, number two, the software company is demanding for this skill. Software company. Why? Number three, this is easily understandable code. Easily understandable. Why? Because this Python uses some code, some syntax which is quite similar to the English languages. Okay, so Python is like super easy to understand for a beginner. Okay, now for the fourth one. Okay, so why Python? This can be used in different platform. What do I mean by different platform? That is the Windows, Linux, or iOS, anything, any platform. If you have, you can use this language. This is a open source languages. And number five, which is the most important thing, that it is used in diverse use case. That means in the real life scenario, in today's scenario, Python is everywhere. If you say, like, it is using in data science, it is using in machine learning. You are just gone through this language called Gen AI, generative AI, that is developing. AI is developing day by day. So in that case, the Python is the most essential language that you ever come through. Okay, so we have designed this course for the betterment of your future, guys. So I think every one of you will just like this. Okay, so how we just classify the whole program, how we divide the sections of this Python course, I will just discuss with you in the next turn. So first we will discuss about the syntax and variables. So here we will discuss something about the introduction of Python. Okay, then we will discuss about the installation. Okay, after the installations we will discuss about the basic syntax. basic syntax, where you are going to learn your fast programming. Okay, then after this syntax we will discuss about the diverse variable. Okay, diverse variable about this. Then the pip, okay, pip modules we will also cover under this syntax and variable. So these are all the things which we will cover under this one section only. And one thing guys, this is course is designed only for the beginners. Okay, so I think you will all love this course. Okay, number 2 is the data type. That means how many data types are there. Okay, data types. Under this, the primitive data type, primitive and non-primitive. Okay, as well as we will just compare the difference between the Java and Python. Java and Python under this data type, how the data types differ from Java to Python. Okay, and here I will add something that is called C Python, J Python and Python. Okay, look guys, these are something which are not included in anywhere in your internet, right? So these are the course which we have to cover from different sources by following different sources. Okay, like after that the loops. Okay, so in between these data types there are lots of data types. Okay, so like int, string, okay, then the list, okay, tuple, then set, then dictionary. Okay, dictionary. So a lot of things, okay, are there under these data types. After that, the most common and most important portions to build the basic building blocks of a code, that is the loops. Okay, so here we will discuss about the loops. Like first is the for loop, second will be our while loop. Okay, while loop. Then the conditioning. Okay, condition also comes here. Okay, that means if else, if elif and else. Okay, else, everything will be covered under this. Okay, and under this also we are going to cover the loops, like the list comprehension. Okay, these things, comprehension. Okay, and many more things. Then after the next one, the function. Function means there are two types of functions are used in this Python. The first one is the already declared function. Okay, so they are already provided by your Python interpreter. And number 2 is the user defined function. So two types of function, how to create a function, how to declare a function, how to manage these functions, everything. Okay, then we will discuss about the lambda function. This is a special functions provided only by the Python. Okay, and then how to use the lambda function under any other function. Okay, so iterable function. So we will use the iterable functions. So here we will also learn the concepts of the recursion. Okay, so yeah, I know here you are coming to learn this Python, but what I think that recursions, okay, iterable functions, this is something which comes not only under any language, but it is a basic building blocks of the data structure also. Okay, so we will cover that thing under the function also. Okay, in the next turn we will do the oops concept. Okay, oops concept in the Python. Okay, so in the oops concept, first, oops means object oriented programming language, because this Python is a object oriented programming language, guys. So oops concept is a very essential thing. So under this oops class and objects and functions, modules, okay, library, all those comes under this. Okay, then the inheritance. Okay, inheritance, data abstractions. Okay, data abstraction, polymorphism. Okay, polymorphism, all these terms are coming under this class and objects. And after completing these classes and objects, we will create also some projects. Okay, 3 or 4 projects we will make on these classes and objects. And after that, the last thing is the error handling, because whenever you are just going for a software development, SDLC, okay, SDLC, that means software development life cycle, there is also a part to check the error in your code. Okay, so if you are occurring any type of error in your programming, how would you go to handle this particular error? Okay, so there are different methods to identify the error and the ways of handling these types of error. Okay, so we will cover these error handling portions in this error handling sections. Okay, so these is a whole syllabus which we are gonna cover under this Python, and there are, I am giving you the assurance that we will cover at least 10 projects, and that will be the hands-on projects. Okay, this is going to be the hands-on project. That means I will build along with you. Okay, so I will make separate videos on that projects. Okay, we will do these things separately, but yes, but concurrently we will do these things. Okay, and I hope you will all enjoy what we gonna cover. So I gave you a brief introductions, brief outlay of this whole programs. Okay, so this is not a program, this is a mission. Okay, this is a mission from the side of Internjunction. Okay, so this is a mission. Okay, mission to educate in Python. Mission, this is a mission. I am repeating that, guys. If you just join us 3 consecutive days, I think you will love the way how we gonna teach you. Okay, and of course this is not gonna be something which are presentable, like we are just presenting some PowerPoint and something and we are just discussing. Okay, this is both in a ideally mode. Okay, so that means we will just solve everything in the ideally, plus we will cover this in the Jamboard or something, yeah, whiteboard also. Okay, we will use whiteboard also to make you understand the concept. Okay, like this will be the way how am I writing this. Okay, I will be writing in the whiteboard also and make you understand every deep concepts. Okay, so I think everyone will gonna love it. Okay, and will gonna join us after towards. Okay, oh, and I think everyone is eager waiting for this, right? Okay, so without further ado, let's go to the next zone. Okay, so what are the extra benefits? Number 1, we will giving you daily coding challenges. Number 2, we gonna organize. Okay, we gonna make some weekly quiz. Okay, on the topic. We gonna cover 3 to 4 projects within a month. Number 4 is that if you gonna pay us 100 rupees, then after completion of this journey, we will provide you a course completion certificate. Okay, a course completion certificate to those guys who will complete the course. Okay, and just pay us 100 rupees after completing this course. We gonna give you a course completion certificate. Okay, so yeah, you can think that this thing is a ladder work. Okay, this is not a point for now. Okay, but yes, if you complete all this journey, if you would really want, we will just link a Google form. Okay, Google form, you can just fill this Google form and you can pay us to get a completion certificate. And what you get more. Okay, so we gonna offer internship. Okay, internship as well as. Okay, so bi-monthly we are just offering the internship, so you can join our internship program through our website. Okay, you can just go and check www.internjunction.in and you can find that in the very very beginnings of our web page there is a small link to apply for the internship, and you can even apply for the internship which is going on right now. Okay, so these are some extra benefits of this doing this types of course. Okay, and I think guys everyone is really enjoying this definitions and what I make you. I think this is all clear up to you. Okay, and the last but not the least, our mode of our course will be both English and Hindi. Okay, so wherever I need to speak I can use Hindi as well as I can use English. Okay, so I think that will not bother you anymore. Okay, so if you have anything, if you have any problem, you can ask me in both the language. Okay, and I think yes guys, we are going to launch this course and we are really hopeful for that. Okay, so yes, the contribution must be from your side and our side also. Okay, so let's get enjoy and see you soon.